Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. Today we are discuss about the topic that is valid contract and its elements. Generally speaking, a contract is an understanding or an agreement between two parties. Every agreement and promise enforceable at law is contract. According to the section 2, subsection H of the Indian Contract Act, an agreement enforceable by law is contract. It is clearly there are definitions. There are three virtual elements of a contract. First one, agreement. Second one, contractual obligations, and third one, enforceability by law. A contract is an agreement creating and defining obligation between the parties. Definition of a contract according to the under section 2 subsection H, an agreement enforceable by law is a contract. Enforceability: an agreement is enforceable if it is recognized by court. In order to be enforceable by law, the agreement must create legal obligation between the parties. Types of agreement: social agreement. Social agreement are not enforceable because they do not create legal obligation between the parties. For the example, invitation for dinner. Legal agreement: legal agreement are enforceable because they create legal obligation between the parties. Example: A promised to sell his car for B. Contract. Indian Contract Act. Contract is equal to agreement. Agreement plus enforceability. Define agreement. Agreement offer plus acceptance is equal to agreement. Promise plus consideration is equal to agreement. Enforceability: legal obligation between the parties. Essential element of valid contract. First one, offer and acceptance. An agreement they must yield lawful offer and one party lawful acceptance by offer by the party. The term lawful means that are the acceptance must satisfy and require of the contract act. Legal obligation. The party to an agreement must create legal obligation. It means that one party do not fulfill his promise, he shall be able for breach of contract. For the example, A offered to B to sell his home in 2 million. It is a contract as a create legal obligations. Third one, lawful consideration. For a valid contract, consideration must be lawful. Consideration is price paid of one party for the promise to other parties. A contract is enforceable by only when both parties give the take something. That something give to take called a consideration. For the example, A promised to sell his car for B for 1 million. For one A of 1 million consideration and B car is considerations. Capacity of parties: an agreement is enforceable if it is made by the parties who are not competent to contract. To compete the contract, it is essential that the parties are the age of majority, have the sound of mind. For the example, am a person of unsound mind agree to the sales his house asked for the 2 lakhs. It is not a valid contract because am is unsound mind. For a consent. For a valid contract, it is essential that the consent of parties must be free. Consent is free when it not be obtaining any force, undue influence, force, misrepresentation, and any kinds of mistake. If the consent of either party is not free, the agreement cannot become a contract. Example: A force B at a gunpoint to enter into a contract. Lawful objective. It is a necessary that agreement is made for a lawful objective. The objective of a contract must not be illegal, immoral, opposed, or public policy. Every agreement with a lawful objective is legally and therefore contract of void. For the example, he hire a house to for England. Their objective of the agreement is illegal and avoid. Next one, written and recognized. A contract may be orally and in writtenly. It is preferable that the contract be written because it is easy to prove in court. Thank you.